Discover the power of deal analysis with myapp.property. So here we have a commercial/industrial opportunity in Germiston. As you can see, there are several factories. And this is, industrial, which is definitely a step up from what I'm used to. I'm more in the residential space. But what I want to do is I want to show you how you can use myapp.property to analyze not only residential stuff, but also your industrial and commercial space. So as you can see here, there are roughly 34 factories and industrial buildings that are all fully let. The agent has given me some information. Obviously, I don't have proofs just yet of everything, but I'm going to use the information that he's given to me. Please make sure that you're doing your own due diligence, that you see proofs before making any kind of financial decision. I'm moving over to myapp.property where I've analyzed the deal. So first of all, the asking price is 12.5 million. I'm going to offer 9 million. I've also calculated my bond and transfer costs using the calculator on the app. It's given me 200,000 and I've budgeted 500,000 for renovations. As this is a commercial/industrial deal, I'm using commercial terms for finance and requesting 7 million in loans. The cash flow using the monthly rent given by the agent of 292 with an occupancy rate of 85%, which is quite low. Usually I'm above 90%, but that's in the residential space. In commercial, you obviously have to, add a bit of a risk premium. Expenses of management fee, maintenance, rates and taxes, insurance, water, refuse, sewage, security cleaning, and electricity. I'm structuring this in a company. That's why I've got a 27% tax rate and 22% capital gains. My escalations are conservative with a 4% capital growth, 8% rental growth, cost inflation of 5%, and discount rate of 10%. I've got some sensitivity levels of 10% for real growth and for occupation. Let's go through an overview of the returns. So firstly, getting a good discount to asking and market value. Here you can see the bear, base, and bull case in terms of gross rent and the gross yield. 33% gross yield on the base case, giving a negative cash flow for year one, but that'll improve as your escalations take hold. From a returns perspective, your internal rate of return is sitting at just under 28% with a negative net yield day one, cap rate of 12% with a net present value of 28,500,000. The debt service ratio is at 1.17. The operating expenses are roughly 50% and will take you 9 years to pay back your original capital. Here is the debt equity ratio. You can see that your equity jumps in year 10 once you've paid off your debt. This is the net profit for the next 20 years, showing you your gross profit, your finance, your tax, and your net profit. The capex spend is mostly spent on your deposit, followed by your renovations and then your transfer fees. And then lastly, your project cash flow, which shows your yearly cash flow, your cumulative cash flow. And then on the right-hand side, you can see your ROI, your yearly cash on cash returns. The great part is that you can now download a professionally designed proposal in seconds. All you do is click generate proposal and a professionally designed proposal with all the relevant documentation is presented. This is what you can take to a private lender or an institution to raise finance for your next deal. In the world of property investing, success likes speed, and being able to quickly and confidently analyze deals will give you the competitive edge. With this tool, you can analyze all types of property deals like commercial, multi-lets, and even student housing. Analyze cash flows, understand market trends, and assess risks, all with a few clicks of a button. Our tool simplifies data, making it accessible and actionable. This tool will help you save time, it'll enhance your decision making, and you can even learn the insider secrets of the cash flow market in South Africa. Some of the features include calculators, things like transfer fee, income tax, and affordability calculators. Analysis of deals giving you the cash flow, return on investment, internal rate of return, NPV, and all the financial metrics you need to make an informed decision. And with a click of a few buttons, you can generate a professionally designed investor proposal to help you raise finance for your next deal. Take your investing to the next level. Register at myapp.property today.